Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is me just making some shims for the wheels, and I will be welding those onto my welding table here after I show you guys what's going on here. Alright, now to the other side. I'm taking like reclaimed stuff. So right now, these are brake pads from my vehicle. I did a brake job a little while ago. I do have some advice: don't start your brakes at 10 o'clock at night. I'm just saying, it does not end well, especially if it's your first time. So we'll see what this looks like. I always like to make sure that nobody else really makes my mistakes. So I'll put some random music in here just so everybody, just so that you guys aren't. If you haven't liked and subscribed yet, please do so. But if you don't like the video, then you don't have to subscribe. Likes and such help out the channel. Welding away. Now I know my stick out's really bad. So thank you guys again. We'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, so I realized that I stopped the last video before I put the wheels on. And that was the whole point of this video. So, yeah, so these are the wheels. They're off of a treadmill that broke. So I'm just repurposing it. Alright, so that's one side down. Alright, now let's line up the other side. Don't know how much you guys can see. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, you guys got a good view. Great. Yeah, doing this is relatively hard, trying to get used to talking to a camera. So, that's half the battle here. Go ahead, 1/8 of an inch rise. Oh, that's always good. All right. Alright, so we're going to end up bending this ever so slightly. Get my bubbles all squared away. Oh, look at that, we're relatively level. Huh, that's cool. Alright, guys. Sorry, I'm just rambling on, but I haven't gotten to the point where I've figured out that I can run music. So, this is what you guys get. The ramblings of a crazy person. Alright. And if you have any questions, you can always put the questions in the comments, and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And to be completely honest, I don't know a lot, but I will try to figure out the answer to any of your questions. So, let's get back to welding, because me talking is probably boring the bejesus out of you guys. So, see if that holds, and I'll finish. Alright, look at that. Now that's out of the way. And well,
that is me welding wheels on my unfinished welding table. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, give this video a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe. And if you didn't make it, well, your loss.